Okay. Oh, I need to back this up with wobbly legs. My butt looked big on this motorcycle. Oh, Dennis, bring a full... Hang on a second. That's bizarre.
What?
What? Nothing. Sorry.
You can't just say that's bizarre and then not tell us what is bizarre.
Oh, I got my GPS disconnected from the Bluetooth for obvious reasons.
Okay.
So.
Whee!
Alright. Okay, lead the way.
I don't know where we're going. You're leading the way. I'm just getting out in the street.
Cameras on.
Cameras are on.
Yep.
Pick a side though.
I'm going to be in on the curb and I'm just going to jump the red lights, the stop sign, because I'm naughty.
Dad, you're a naughty boy?
Oh, I'm so naughty.
Okay.
I need to go into mega timeout. Potholes.
Yummy.
I've got a full tank, so the only person who needs gas is
Dennis. And we can work with that.
What mode am I in? Oh, road mode, okay.
Ah, yes!
What the hell was that?
That was me stretching and it was amazing.
Wow, what the hell could you have been scratching to feel that good? Don't answer that.
I said
Don't
stretch.
answer that.
I said stretch.
Oh, stretch. I thought you said scratch.
Dad, what the
I mean, God. Even then, don't tell me what you were stretching.
My back. 'Twas near organism.
Oh, gas station.
Hey Shea, get out of third gear.
Probably a good idea.
Just a little bit.
I don't have my wallet. Oh, shit.
I got it.
Out of everything, no, but he still needs his wallet to drive. That's the problem. Go run back real quick. We'll stay here. Don't get pulled over.
Nah, I'm not going to get pulled over, but I'll be right back.
Okay, we'll be here. How smart of him.
Shut up.
A few moments later.
Alright, let's try that again, shall we? Quite like another go at this.
Oh my God, when is Dad gonna get back? Maybe we should just start going and have him figure out where we're going.
We should hear him before we see him.
Meanwhile.
Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. Oh, I do like to be beside the sea.
Eventually.
And I'm back.
Oh, finally!
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Engines on.
No.
Come on. Plenty of time.
Alright, we're good.
Alright. Alright, now then, the mission here is that your mum is convinced that somewhere along like the way between here, Farmerville and possibly down to Ruston, she is convinced that there is a garbage disposal, a big skip, massive bleeding dumping grounds that we can offload a whole bunch of stuff that we don't need.
I don't
so
believe her.
I know, but here's our mission. We are going to go scouting for it.
Okay.
I am telling you, you can throw that shit away at our apartment.
I know, but like, that's you telling us.
That's not the mission, Jay.
Yeah, without that, there wouldn't be a mission.
But yeah, exactly. Now, the dump wanted to charge me $45 to offload a truckload of crap. I was like, no way. I don't know what universe they think that's a nice number to come to, but bollocks.
Especially if they're gonna weigh you anyways, like,
Yeah.
like what's the point of even weighing if it's even $45 to just get in?
Exactamundo, that's my point. So, bollocks to them. We are going to go hunting down ourselves.
Okay.
And I know I've passed through because I remember complaining about the smell. It's like the height of summer. I'm going, pew-wee, that smells horrible. And like, you know, and it was somewhere up and down this road. Well, I don't know if it's related. It could have just been like a little dumpster. What we're looking for is a major skip.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Mom said that it was down either Cyprus or Arkansas.
I've been down Cyprus. I haven't been down Arkansas. I went like halfway to Camp Road.
Yeah, I know. I was there with you.
Oh yeah, right.
And then you got in a hissy fit for some reason.
Yeah, I got hormonal.
I know.
Yeah, I felt delicate. I got my cruise control set at a nice, comfortable 58.
Must be nice.
My nice, comfortable arm is sitting at a 58. Because I don't have cruise control. That's okay, Lucifer. I wouldn't change it.
You know what, Shay? I heard a rumour
And here we go.
that the BMW R18 has cruise control.
Shut up!
It's just a rumour.
You and your R whatever. Get that piece of shit out of there.
You know, that's the funny thing though. That's an interesting topic though. And that's people who appreciate the variety in life and people who are like stick with just the one thing and they are not going to change because it works for them. Like no dumpsters there.
No.
As in, like when it comes to like food, for example, you know, I got a variety sort of taste, but at the same time, you know, there are some things I'm just not gonna. If I go to a shop and I buy a restaurant and I order something and I love it, I'm never gonna try anything else. It's not worth the risk of paying good money to try something that you might hate. I'd rather go to a restaurant, pay my regular amount of money for something I know I like. You know, and maybe, you know, that's why people like to go out in groups so they can sample each other's plates. Who knows, you know? There's been times that's worked. But when it comes to like things like motorcycles and cars and shit like that, you know, there are people like me who I'm just a whore. I love to try out any motorcycle. If it's got two wheels, I want to jump on it, I want to ride it.
You want that good shit between your legs, huh?
Exactly. I've got to try it. I have to. It's like, sorry, but that's my raison d'etre. I've got to jump on, you know, I've got to know what it's like. You know, it was just by that situation that I tried out Cherry and I was like, I can't see any bike beating this. Every bike I ride, I have to compare it to Cherry.
And now you got Destiny.
So,
No, wait, this isn't Destiny.
this is Cherry.
Yeah,
this is Cherry.
This is Cherry, yeah.
Destiny was my Harley Davidson Street Bob, my souped up Harley Davidson Street
That
Bob.
was your dyno, wasn't it?
Yeah, and I loved that bike, don't get me wrong, I loved it, and I thought she had power and was torque, and she was, but compared to like 160 horses that this thing delivers, it was like a scooter. I was like, okay. And then one day I'm going to jump on another bike because I'm just going to go to Shreveport or wherever. I'm going to say, can I try out one of these? Sure, yes you can. I'm going to jump on it and it's going to be like, oh my God, I'm trading Cherry in. Then there are people like you, Shay. You are riding Lucifer. That is it. There is no other bike.
No.
Even if they're better or worse, there is no other bike.
I'm not opposed to trying other bikes when I'm old enough, but as for right now, because I can't just go off of your word anymore, because I know how to ride my own bike.
Right.
So maybe sure the BMW R what the ever
18.
is great. It's amazing. I may want it for the rest of my life. I may want it for the rest of my life if I try it, but I can't just go off of your word.
No, and nor should you. I've had
So-
people come to me and say, you should have this bike. you should trade in your bike and buy that one. I'll be like, no, I'll try it, and if I like it.
So saying that for like any other motorcycle, like a Scout, because I know I can fit on a Scout. I just have to bring the exhaust in.
Yeah.
But like I can fit on the Scout, sure, but I might not like the way it rides. The only reason why I'm saying I know this is my bike, my Lucifer, because I know how to ride him. I know how to make him feel happy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He fits me. He fits me. That's just what it is. This is, you know how I was talking about the other day, how there are many types of soulmates. Well, Lucifer is my motorcycle soulmate. Like I love him.
Yeah, I get that.
An emotional connection to this motorcycle. Just as
I
love
get
Dean.
that. I really do get that. I don't. Honestly, I don't. However, what I will say is, you know, if you're welcome to try out any bikes that you want, any bikes out there, and just see if there's any that could be better, or because most of them will be worse. I guarantee you that most of them will not even hold a candle to Lucifer.
Well, here's
but
another
there
thing.
might be one that'd be like, oh, this one's better.
Well, here's another thing is that I'm not gonna think anything's better for. I mean, it might be better, but I'm not gonna.
Your new home.
Wow. Okay. Anyways, I'm not gonna think anything is better for the simple fact that I don't want to splash out like 12 grand. This bike is paid off. We're good.
It was around this point that my camera stopped recording, so I'll just summarise what happened from here. We did manage to find a skip or a dumpster that we could use. Not that we ever did, but it was useful to know where it was. Also, Shea went on to double down that she might try other bikes, but only in passing, and never with any intentions to part with a beloved Vulcan S. Some people do develop emotional connections with their vehicles, projecting personalities and emotions like love and jealousy, parental dependence, and when things break on a bike, it turns into like hate and revenge. It's funny when you think about it how manufacturers of any vehicles, they want to create the perfect partner for you, but also the perfect mistress or adulterer to tease you away. The point isn't lost on us considering that we give our bikes names. It's a funny old world we live in.
I hope you enjoyed watching that video as much as I enjoyed putting it together, and if you did, do me a couple of favours. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you're new to this channel, there's a subscribe button down there, and there's a couple more videos hovering around here you can check out. This is the Cockney Biker. You take care of yourselves, and as always, laters.